best time tracking softwares. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you some of the best time tracking softwares that I have recently used. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So the software that we're going to be using and reviewing today is called Reclaim AI, Clockwise, and Clockify. We are going to be taking a look at some of the features that these three websites offer, how easy it is to sign up and start using them, and what are their prices. So let's get into it. We're going to start off with Reclaim AI, and it's one of the easiest ones out there to sign up. All you got to do is click on this button and connect your Google Calendar. Now, Reclaim AI is a calendar application, but if we come over here underneath products, we can see they have the time tracking option. This is what we are interested in. So we're going to click on it and go ahead and click on free on Google Calendar, and we are good to go. So now we just agree it and sign up. And boom, it's just like that. It's as easy as that. We are now logged in, and now we can go ahead and start using Reclaim AI and start tracking our time. So as you can see, one of the easiest ones out there, just click of a button and boom, you're here. This is what I like to see. No sign up options, no enter your credit card first or debit card, whatever it is. Just click of a button and you're in. So now let's go ahead and start tracking our time and see how it looks like. So to actually go ahead and manage your time, Reclaim AI has this thing called habits. Now in habits, these are basically recurring events that you have added into your calendar, and you can go ahead and start them whenever you want, right? So here you can see right here, it says start habit now. So when I click on start habit now, it's going to go ahead and start recording it and saying that, it is now started. So you can go ahead and manage and track times like these. You can go ahead and create different meetings or different habits, and it will automatically start tracking your time. So over here, you can see right here, it's now tracking this habit that I have created. And now when I go into stats, let me just go ahead and stop this for now. It's going to resync all of the time. And when I go into stats, we can find it right here. So over here, you can see the habits were being tracked, and we can see right here, personal hours you've worked on, and all of that. So this is where you can go ahead and check them out. So here you will have team stats where you can go ahead and unlock productivity. But for that, of course, you have to upgrade your account. So it's a pretty cool thing. Mostly Reclaim is known for their smart one-on-ones, where you can go ahead and automatically find time for your one-on-ones. It's going to scan all of your calendar. If your calendar is booked and you can't seem to find the time, you can just turn this one on and it'll automatically shift things around and find the time to add some more one-on-one meetings, which is pretty cool. Now, would I personally use Reclaim to manage my time, manage my tasks? Personally, if we're just being honest, if I just wanted to have a time tracking software, Reclaim would not be the go-to. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the pricings. And over here, you can see we have 4 plans. We have the light, the starter, the business, and the enterprise. You can go ahead and select whichever one you want. And over here in the light one, you can see you get 1 user team, 1 scheduling link, 1 smart meeting, 3 habits, calendar, limited integrations, unlimited time tracking, and unlimited tasks, and 3-week scheduling range as well. Then you get starter, which is going to cost you $8 per seat per month. So you can have multiple people in it, and it's going to cost you $8 per person. And in it, you get up to 10 seats, 3 scheduling links, smart meetings, unlimited habits, unlimited calendar syncs, unlimited integrations, and people analytics and time tracking as well, and unlimited tasks. So you can see it's pretty cool. And then you have business, it's going to cost you $12 per seat per month. So depending on which plan you choose, it is quite cheap depending upon how many people you have. But yeah, moving on, we have Clockwise. Now Clockwise is a pretty cool application as well, and the products that they offer are very simple. So they have this Prism offer, which is like a new one. They have flexible meetings, focus time, flexible holds, scheduling links, Slack, and Asana integration as well. They have some other options as well, and let's go ahead and start using it. So let's go ahead and sign up. Sign up as process is very simple. We click on the get started button or the sign up button over here. It's going to take us over to the welcome page where we can go ahead and sign up with using either our Google account or Microsoft account. And once we've done that, we should be good to go. And also, I just wanted to say that Clockwise only connects to work email. So if you have a standard Gmail account, you go ahead and sign in. It's going to tell you right over here that it couldn't connect. Clockwise only supports work accounts. So if you have a standard Gmail account, it won't work. You have to get like a proper work account. Keep that in mind. So pricing wise, Clockwise is pretty cool. So they've got 4 plans like everything else. The free plan, the teams, the business, right? The free plan, of course, is free, automatically finds the best time for your tasks, schedules seamlessly outside your organization with limited Clockwise scheduling links, protected personal time for meals, travel, appointments, and delegate calendar management to Prism. And then we have the Teams one, which is going to cost you $675 per month. This is for Teams for automatically creating the perfect focus time. Over here, you get to optimize meeting times to free up uninterrupted time for focused work. Protect your deep work time with auto-scheduled focus time holes. Schedule meeting with an external invitee and multiple teammates with group scheduling as well. So it's going to cost you $675 per user per month, which is going to be billed annually. Then you have the business one, which is going to cost you $11.50 per user per month. And this is for companies looking for automated calendars. So this is for businesses, for companies. This is for teams. This is for like freelancers or whatever. And so, yeah, this is Clockwise. I can't sign up onto Clockwise, so I can't really show you. So I guess this is it for Clockwise. Really nothing to say. This is why I don't like some of these softwares out there right now. There's another one called Motion that you can't even use properly. But yeah, the best one that I think is Clockify. Clockify is very simple. It's free and you can quickly go ahead and start tracking your time. You can see you have a bunch of different options right here. So let me just show you. So if I click on start tracking time and I just simply go ahead and continue with Google, and that is it. I am done. I'm logged in and I am good to go. And now I can go ahead and start creating my tasks and start tracking them as well. So here you go. What are you working on? You add your task, you click on the start time button, and boom, you're tracking your time. You start a new campaign, you can find it over here. You have the option to turn them on billables or not. You have the option to make your task billable. So when you go to the dashboard, over here, you're going to see all of your reports, right? You have your reports over here. You can see the billable hours are going to be over here. Weekly are going to be over here. Time reports are going to be over here. Your projects are going to be over here. You can create different projects over here. And within these projects, you can find your own tasks as well. So you can see tasks are going to be over here. Who has the access to this particular project, status, forecast, everything. So everything is simple. And they also have an application for desktop as well, which you can go ahead and download and start using it to track your time. So this is what you want to have in a time tracking software. None of the other, time wastes like, what is this? You can't even sign up on Clockwise. Of course, this is for professionals, but if you are selling a time tracking software, you want to have something like Clockify. Pretty cool. Sign in with your Google account, got your timesheet, you've got your time tracker over here. Get started and you are good to go. So pretty simple. So best one for me is going to be Clockify. Let me know in the comment section which one are you interested in using and which one is your favorite. I'm sure there are a couple of others that I'm forgetting right now, but Clockify is one of the best out there to manage and track time. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.